Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at another car I bought. It was 200 euros, which is pretty cheap. And it does need some work, but most of it is cleaning and getting it MOT'd again. So, if you look over here, I bought this Volvo V70 all-wheel drive, but it is diesel, so no petrol. But as you can see, it's been standing for around 6 years, so it needs a really good cleaning because it's more green than black. But we already drove it. It does start, it drives. I do need to bleed the brakes. It lost some fluid, so I have to look where that's leaking. And we need to polish this, get all the grime off. Also got some nature in it. It's been standing outside someone's front door for around 6 years. It's last driven in 2018, so that's already 6 years. I do have some garbage stuff that we need to get rid of, but interior wise it does not look pretty bad. It does got some light mold, etc. Previous owner did clean some of it. But interior wise, we got the climate control, we got AC and also working, already tested it. Audio etc. is working. This is old school, like early 2000s, so this is completely shit. Cruise control, audio on the steering wheel for controlling it. And everything's electric, like windows, mirrors. If we give it a quick start, everything lights up and it just starts without problem. But that is diesel for you. It does have around 408,000 kilometers, so I think in miles that is somewhere around 250, 200, 250. But it is diesel, so it does not really care. We also got it with almost full tank of gas, of diesel. We are going to put some fresh in. Got cup holders, even more cup holders in here. More storage which needs to be cleaned out. But overall the interior looks pretty decent. Not many scratches or something, it does just need a good cleaning. So that's also what we'll be doing today. Is we are going to mostly vlog kind of about cleaning the car. I am going to show it as well when I'm cleaning the car. So I'm going to try to get the shots in, but it's pretty hard to do it alone. This is the engine bay, which houses many animals, mostly spiders, so that's good. Does need a good rinse off, and hopefully it will look better. We'll see now the little clip of me cleaning the car. don't clean the car. Looks pretty nice. Or looks better than it was. Now black. And we'll be getting more updates soon. See you to the next video. Bye bye.